everybody. If you watched this far in the video, I really appreciate it. I threw this last track in here in case you didn't see the Gold Hill video. There's another video that I made with audio, so it may be a little more interesting to people that like train audio, that shows this train running around the curve at Gold Hill with the drone. So check it out. Have a great day. Thanks.